Alright, now we will create the label block as well as the callout block, and these are the blocks which are again needed in the sheet set. So we are still preparing material for our sheet set and we have not yet started the actual sheet set tool. Now once again I have a completely blank drawing here and I'll start by setting the unit. So UN, press enter, make sure it is architectural, insertion scale inches, and that's fine. Okay, now we will create our label block in this, and once again before creating the label block I'll create the text style. So again go to annotation, and here you can see that we have annotative and standard. Let's go to manage text style. I'll click on this A icon, go to new, give it a name. So again fields, okay, go to drop down simplex, and you know that we are using 1/8 of an inch, so 1/8 of an inch, and apply and close. So there we have it. Now we have our fields text style defined. Let's just make the label block. So I'll go to this circle, click anywhere in the drawing area to start that, and type 0.25 as the radius. So we are going to use this circle. Now let's go to line, go to center, go to this endpoint and make this line of any random length. Now we'll add some attributes. So let's type ATT, press enter. Now the first attribute will be view number. So let's type vnum. In the prompt I'll type view number, and the default section I'll click on this box. So that will allow us to enter a field, and that's what we want. So I'll go to sheet set, then sheet set placeholder, and since we are adding view number we need to select the respective thing here. So that's the view number. Okay, and now we'll add view number right here in the circle, so it should be placed in the center. So I'll select justification as middle center. Okay, and I'll click at the center and the text will be properly placed. Now press enter again, and now we'll enter view title. So v title. In the prompt I'll type view title. In the default section again field, sheet set placeholder, and view title, and none, and okay. In this justification I'll select left, click on OK, and I'll click right here. Press enter to repeat it, and now we'll enter viewport scale. So VP scale, and once again here we will enter the field. So sheet set placeholder and viewport scale, because we are using VP scale, that's the field. Again here we'll use scale name option, not any of these. And with these changes, okay, again left, okay, click in the left side like this. So that's our label block, but we want to convert it into a block also, and in this case we'll convert it into a dynamic block. So I'll go to this create block and let's name it as label block, pick point. Now I'll select somewhere here this point as the pick point, and there is a reason behind that. You'll learn about that in a moment. So this is the point which I selected. Just make a note of that. I've selected a point right here as the pick point. Now select objects, select all of them, enter. Allow exploding should be checked. Open in block editor should also be checked. Click on OK, and that will take you to the block editor. Again OK. There we have it. So now we are in the block editor. Here we have this line, okay, and the length of this line should be dynamic. We should be able to increase or decrease its length, and to do that I'll add a dynamic property using constraint. So I'll go to this dimension constraint, I'll add it on this line, and that's it. So now that will add this grip, and we can now increase the length of this block using this grip. So now close block editor, save the changes, and that's our label block. You can see that we can now stretch its length using the grip which we added, and we can now get rid of this, and we'll still have this drawing 6, and even if you delete it from here it will still be there in the drawing. So that's how you can create label block.